Every single day, 500,000 pizzas are made right here.
But this isn't a kitchen, it's an industrial system.
Measured, balanced, standardized.
Frozen in seconds to lock in freshness. Packed, stored, and shipped worldwide. This is how 500,000 frozen pizzas are made every day.
This facility produces over 500,000 frozen pizzas every day for global distribution.
Welcome to the intake area. This is where we receive the freshest ingredients, like this flour and cheese, before they head down the line to become delicious frozen pizzas.
The residual count on line 4 is stable.
Good. We are cleared for processing.
The flow rate is optimized and the moisture content is stable.
Confirmed. The digital readout matches my meter exactly.
Careful with the dust. Get that entire sack in there.
The elasticity is perfect. Look how it springs back.
Yes, the gluten structure is well developed. We are ready for the oven.
Reading 25.1 millimeters on the thickness.
Confirmed. Diameter is exactly 2,500. All measurements are within tolerance.
Firmness seems optimal at this temperature.
Agreed. The color grading is exactly what we aimed for.
Ensure the sauce dispensers are calibrated correctly for the next batch. We need consistent coverage.
Check the flow rate on the tablet.
It's fluctuating slightly. I'll adjust this valve.
The temperature is steady at 90 degrees.
Consistency looks good. Viscosity is within range. Let's log it.
I'm reading a slight variation near the edge.
Noted. The coverage is mostly uniform.
The crust color is exactly where we want it.
Agreed. The synchronization has improved efficiency by 10% this quarter.
Keep the line moving smoothly.
Looks good down here, almost ready for the pepperoni.
Phase 1 transforms raw ingredients into perfectly prepared pizza bases ready for topping and freezing. Phase 2 builds flavor and structure before freezing.
Keep it moving up to the top hopper. We need this batch ready by noon.
We have a minor alignment issue on the left spreader.
Okay, I am correcting the settings now. Looks good.
This batch meets the diameter requirement. Good work.
Thank you. Moving them to stage 3.
Lane 3. Initiate the supreme toppings now. Ensure the synchronization is perfect down the line.
Symmetry and coverage look good on this batch.
Confirmed. The ingredient spread meets the gold standard.
Airflow is stable at 250 CFM.
And the temperature intake is holding steady at -8. Looks good.
Phase 2 builds flavor, balance, and structure before the pizzas are frozen for long-term storage.
pressure looks good here.
And the tablet confirms the O2 levels are dropping as expected.
The throughput on line 3 is exceeding projections.
Yes, the articulation is flawless.
This is how 500,000 frozen pizzas are made every day, from raw ingredients to perfectly frozen meals ready for homes worldwide.